Take 10 minutes out of your day to make this homemade strawberry compote. It's a thick, sweet, almost jam-like strawberry sauce to cover and fill your favorite desserts. And it only takes 5 ingredients to make. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making a sweet and gooey strawberry compote. It's naturally sweetened with maple syrup and fresh strawberries, and it is so delicious. Wash the strawberries well, then hull them and slice them in half. You can also use frozen strawberries if that's what you have on hand, or if strawberries aren't in season. No need to thaw them in advance, though they may take a little bit longer to cook down. Place the strawberries in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat with 1/4 a cup of pure maple syrup. You could also use granulated sugar or raw honey. Stir in 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is the zest and juice from about half a small lemon. Then stir that well to combine. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of warm water and add that to the saucepan with the rest of the ingredients. Continue to cook and stir frequently over medium heat, breaking up the strawberries as they warm. This should take about 6 to 8 minutes total. The sauce will continue to thicken and you can break up the strawberries even further. I like my strawberry compote on the chunky side, so I leave a lot of strawberries whole, but you can break them up as much or as little as you want. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the compote to cool before serving. It will thicken even more as it cools, especially if you store it in the fridge. To store it, place the cooled compote in an airtight container or jar and then place it in the fridge for up to 1 week. You can also store it in the freezer for up to 6 months. Just thaw it overnight in the fridge and serve it chilled or warm it up in the microwave. One of our favorite ways to use strawberry compote is topping cakes, especially cheesecake and angel food cake. We also like to fill tier cakes, or you can even use it to fill cupcakes. And of course, you can't go wrong with using it like a syrup on pancakes, or keeping it simple by pouring it over a bowl of vanilla bean ice cream. The options are endless when it comes to strawberry compote and dessert. It's a great recipe to elevate your cakes, ice cream, or cupcakes, and it's so easy to make. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Then bake this gluten-free angel food cake for the perfect recipe to pair with this strawberry compote.